My name is Claudia Munoz, and I am the director of the Tao Foundation. I am originally from Ciudad Juarez, Chihuahua. My father came here in 1968. Now I am very, very happy to be directing the Tao Foundation. Well, I have the privilege to direct this foundation. I have been here now for 4 years, thanks to Benjamin, who has given me the opportunity to carry on this magnificent project. We have 3 avenues that we mainly run, which is education, health, and the environment. Those are the 3 things that we focus on, and we do this mostly in the Mayan communities with the children, which is our key, is to educate the kids. That is where we think that the change can really happen, is with education. Yes, we go twice a month with the owners of the Tao residences. We go twice a month to the Mayan communities, and we give them the tour of the activities so that they can see what we do. We specifically work in the community of Yaxche, which is about an hour and a half from here. It is a community of about 400 people, and they have an elementary school there. Where we have a library that Tao has really put together in one of the classrooms. We've painted the classrooms, we have books for the children, and we have all kinds of activities that we do when we go to the community. People, when they go and visit the community, it's just changes their total aspect about what it is to be part of Tao. What the whole issue, the whole concept here is to give back to the community, to give back to the people that are the people of this land. And so by doing that, by going to the Mayan communities, we have the chance to give back to them. They love it. They love the people when they go and see. They have been very, very open to us in their community because they open their homes, they feed us with a lot of love, the little that they have. They are always open to give us all of their love and all of their customs and traditions, which is something that we are very eager to really make conscious that they should keep and share with us. Being here at Tao is a fabulous opportunity. It's not only a home for the people, it's a change of life. It's literally a change of life. The weather is always so nice, and we have here for the property owners, we have get-togethers and parties and a Christmas party. So it really makes it a home away from home, with the great weather that is most of what they run away from the cold up north, that come here and enjoy this beautiful place. Yes, I live just across the street. I am here for good. My family is here, and this is definitely a home for me. No, not really. I maybe it used to be back when I moved here, the mailman, because we didn't have all the communications that we have now, the technology that up north the mailman does come to your door. Here we don't have that, but right now with the technology and all of the advances, we don't need the mailman anymore, unfortunately. We have every type of profile that you can think. We have retired people mainly, which are really the ones that are mostly interested in helping the Mayan community, because they have lived in other places. They have traveled the world already, so they really can focus on being here. Young people really seem to enjoy the other aspects, like that they can do, the scuba divers and the windsurfing and all of that, which is also very, very interesting for people. We're pet friendly, so people are allowed to bring their pets as well. That's very important, and they do that. They find that Tao we're very flexible, and we're always willing to help out to really make that change in life.